So Lexi, what do you feel like you did wrong?
Maybe the way, because it was so long, I don't know if I went into it the right way or if I should have just taken it and like cut all the hair off first with it and then went in rather than like trying to do the whole.
So when you're working in with a customer that has a lot of hair, in this case, you need to debulk first. So with debulking, you can just take your biggest guard. In this case, our biggest guard is our what?
6.
Number 6. Number 6 with your lever closed. At all times when you have your lever closed, you're always gonna cut more precision. So here with your lever closed, always comb the hair down, debulking, a technique that I like to call parallel to the wall. Notice how I'm not scooping out. I'm just going straight up and down.
Yeah, I was doing a lot of that.
Which is not wrong.
Yes.
It's just not the right time. If you literally just take your tool and just go straight up, precision blades, quality motor, it's almost self-blending. Another quick technique I want to teach you is from your 6, guard skipping. You're gonna push the head slightly away from you, and you're gonna do the same exact technique, parallel to the wall. If you think no hair is being cut, that's okay. Just keep on proceeding. Am I scooping out? Am I creating a new heavy weight line?
No.
Take a look at that.
Yeah.
There's no weight, look at that blend. Now, if we're doing guard skipping, right? We went from our 6, went to our 4. Can you guess what our next number guard is?
2. Yeah.
Okay.
She knows math.
Am I scooping out?
No. What's crazy, so that is crazy. If I would have just not have swooped out, that would have been entirely different.
You didn't do it incorrectly, you
Yeah.
wasn't using the right technique at the right time. I'm gonna take you through our intense training course. We're gonna break down clippers, we're gonna break down motors, we're gonna break down blades. Why is this important? It's important for you to know, that way you know what tool to use depending on the texture hair you're working with. And I hope you pay attention through the training course, because tomorrow when you're cutting hair, I'm gonna ask you a series of questions.
All right.
All right? And then at the end of it all, you're gonna have one final exam, and that final exam includes someone that you love, and it's gonna depend if they're gonna stay or they're gonna go.
Okay, I'm scared.
Sounds good?
No.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go. So what would be the difference between me picking up this one rather than...
So the one trim that you have in your hand is our Protégé trimmer. Because you have your rotary motor, your stainless steel blade. This is our Instinct trimmer. You have your Vector motor. If you're working through a lot of hair, thick, dense hair, you want to use your Instinct, because that's going to cut the hair.
Yeah, even feels more like heavy duty like that.
You're able to customize the lid so you get different colors. So one week you can change your lid for it to be pink. Another week you can change your lid to be clear.
Do you also do like the designs with these?
Yes, you can.
Yeah.
So that's another great feature about our tools. Even though this is a rotary motor and the Instinct has a Vector motor in it, just because this has a rotary motor doesn't mean you can't do designs. Well, you can 100% do designs, and you can 100% debulk, just like you're doing now.
Like just cut the beard off?
Yep.
Oh yeah. The way that just all fell off?
So you feel the difference in that motor when you're using it?
Yeah, and it's just like, feels just like more sturdy, I guess.
So this motor is adequate for what you're trying to do, meaning you're trying to remove a lot of length, you're trying to remove a lot of bulk.
Yeah.
Our Vector motors carry a technology called intuitive torque control. If you try to stop this blade, you won't be able to stop it. You'll hear the blade ramp back up. Listen.
Wow, it's like a car. Okay, this one intrigues me. I've never seen this before. I don't know what this does.
This is your Instinct Metal Edition. That foil shaver, that motor is our Vector motor. So it's super strong.
Oh.
Right? You can feel it right off the bit.
You can probably not touch this. And you just like...
So this is our Vector motor, and you can go right in, and that'll remove the stubble down to skin.
So how would you charge this one then? Does it have like a little stand too?
And that's the other cool thing about our tools. You can use the same charging cord on our Instinct, and you can use the same one on our Protégé.
Oh, okay, cool.
You don't need to have 100 different cords in your station.
Yeah.
You can just use one cord to charge them all.
I don't even...
Look, you just touched that, and how much hair you already took off.
And this wouldn't like cut his skin?
Nope.
Wow. Would you go like up with it?
Let me show you something cool. Look at this.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Put your hand out.
Scared.
Does it hurt?
No.
It feels smooth, right?
Yeah.
That's the awesome thing about our foil technology, that the dimensions in each hole of the foil is perfectly measured so that
For this.
It will never cut long hair or stubble.
That's cool.
You just want to be careful not to come up too close
So that.
to this line.
Okay.
So right before you get about a finger's width close to it, then you flick out.
Okay.
Yep. And look how much hair you cut off.
Yeah, that's crazy. And then this one, my boyfriend uses this at home to do like his.
So this is our
beard?
homie. So literally all this is the trimmers you were using,
Same.
but small and condensed.
Yeah, that's
why
pretty
we call
cool.
it our pocket trimmer.
Oh, I like that. I'm like, you're coming home with
Yep,
me.
it's your homie, right?
Yeah, that's my homie. Okay, so, oh yeah, I can feel the difference though, especially compared to this one.
Especially compared to that.
Yeah, wow. Yeah. Yep. Still got that power though.
Still got that power.
Even though she is little.
This is our Shorty. Shorty has a different type of motor. Your Shorty has a digital brushless, Eon digital brushless. Efficient, optimized noise reduction. So what that means is that if you turn this on, it's still super strong, but it's not loud or noisy. There you go.
I like how these are magnetic.
Yep.
Like that.
So-
I actually never seen that before. I also haven't used clippers in probably almost 10 years, but
A lot of times when people tend to use attachment guards, after use, they start to wiggle around the blade and then they just pop off.
yeah.
So this is not only backed up by our magnets, so you get that secure fit.
Yeah.
You'll never be able to just
Yeah.
have the guard fall right off the blade. So our Protege clipper has your rotary motor in it and has your stainless steel fade blade. Notice how the blade is
Yeah.
flat. You notice how this blade is flat, but it has the ridges.
Yeah.
So that's why we call this our vapor blade, and this is why we call this our fade blade.
Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can even like. Does this one do the car thing too?
Yep. The car thing.
Yeah,
You feel that?
that's crazy. So I can use this just like this then or something?
Put it down.
Or no?
Stop.
In order to really help Lexi, she needs to understand how all our guards, blades, tools, and levers work together, and also some of the common struggles that other stylists face when they decide to learn barbering.